Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the GRT chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that GRT from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $2.9163 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.1518 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $4.6866 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side to do. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out and also the breakdown targets here on the GRT chart, you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, then a wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever I was expecting next was a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4, and once we fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 4, I'm expecting another explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.165 mark and the $0.144 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And after fully maximizing that target area, you can see that we lost the fib level 0.5, and that made me to extend my target area to the lower side back to the fib level 0.618, so that the target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 now lies between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is between the $0.165 mark and the $0.1229 mark, and it is within this blue target area that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And once we fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 4, then we can expect an explosive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 5. And since we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance, then there are chances that we might continue seeing the breakdown to the lower side and fully maximize this target area at the fib level 0.618 in the formation of this wave 4. And whatever we are seeing here on the charts, we can term it as an ABC corrective structure that we expect in the formation of that wave 4 because of its corrective nature, having that as the wave A, then that is the wave B, then the one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 is what is going to give us the low for that wave C to the lower side and also fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 4. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. That is the breakdown targets. We need to continue watching the fib level 0.618, because if we lose that key area on the Fibonacci, then that will start putting a major challenge on the formation of this wave 4 and might bring about invalidation of this Elliot wave structure that I have right here. And in case the breakdown also continues, we need to continue watching the wave 1 high, because the wave 4 over here should not retest into the wave 1 high, because in case such a move plays out, then that will be invalidating this Elliot wave structure that I have right here. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal to the upper side starts. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement on the RSI will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, but you're seeing a sharp decrease in the selling in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we are going to print that bullish cross to the lower side and also fully support the breakdown to the lower side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.